Good morning. So it's Monday here. First day we're going to start doing insulation and possibly drywall. I don't think we'll get that far today, but you never know. It's funny, first time I've been wearing jeans in a long time. I had to go buy some at Walmart and then I couldn't find a long sleeve. So I bought some soccer socks and just cut the toes out. And then I'm going to put those on my arms so I don't get insulation all over my arms. So you make do with what you can get here. It's kind of funny. But yeah, I'm going to do a time lapse now of us doing insulation. Alright, so it's Tuesday, June 12th now. Yesterday, Leo and I got, well, I helped him get most of it done in the ceiling as far as insulation goes, and then he finished, there's about 5 more pieces he got done yesterday. Started on the wall now, so I'm going to show you that. We're going to continue with that. I got some holes to silicone, and then, yeah, we should have all the insulation up today, and then we can start vapor barriering, and start doing vapor barrier, and then we can start drywall. So yeah, it's exciting. All right, so I got most of the whole silicone now up on the wall, so we can put the insulation all the way up, all the way around. So we'll get that done today. Got my soccer socks on again, so I don't get fiberglass all over my arms. Hello, amigo. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you our tile that we got for the floor. I'll just show you a couple pieces. Obviously it'll look better when it's all in there, but just to show you for now. All right, so this is the floor. It looks like wood, but it's actually tile. And it's got the little nail holes in it too, you can see it, yeah. So we do all the containers with that, our house and the 2 rentals. And we've got boxes and boxes of it. So Leo is really good at tiling, so I'm gonna learn how to do that from him. That's gonna be fun. We're still waiting for our shower tile to show up. It's big tiles, so I'll show you that, at least one of them when they show up. And then obviously when it's all up, you'll get to see that. It's fun just sharing the products we're using beforehand, so you can see the finished product and where everything was and goes. But yeah, let's go insulate some more. Alright, so Leo and I got most of the walls insulated. We just have the ones in the bedroom where the doors are. Because of how it is, we're just gonna, when we put the vapor barrier up, we're just gonna stuff it in. And that way it's all insulated, or hold it up or something like that. But yeah, the rest of the walls are all done. What a difference. It was raining earlier, you couldn't even hear the rain inside. And it's not tinny sounding anymore. It actually sounds like a home. Yeah, so that's all done. And then, yeah, vapor barrier. and then drywall. So that'll be coming up in the next couple days. Alright, so we got a couple of the interior walls up just so we can start putting insulation on the inside walls so it has something to hold it. Yeah, so kind of get a feel of the interior now, which is good. Alright, so another day here. It's now Wednesday. I'm keeping the streak alive. Haven't worked this many days in a row in a long time. Leo started doing the vapor barrier on the ceiling, so we're going to continue doing that and the outside walls, and then we're going to get the drywall up on the ceiling. Hopefully we get most of that done today. Nice sunny day again. Hopefully it stays that way as well. But yeah, I'll do some more time lapse for you. Good morning. So Thursday this week. Man, feeling tired. Hanging all that drywall yesterday on the ceiling. We got the kitchen and living room done, which is good. So we're going to start on some of the walls, I think, in the living room and kitchen. I don't know what Leo has planned. He knows what to do. So on a side note, got my hair cut, so week's looking up. Also, it's been sunny out, so driveway is all dry. I can pull the Ferrari in. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're just gonna get started working here today. You know, get our drills shined up and grab a stick of juicy fruit. You know the song.
Get your steel shined up, grab a stick of juicy fruit. The taste is gonna move ya. Take a sniff, pull it out. The taste is gonna move you when you pop it in your mouth.
But it's nice because in the mornings it's sunny. It is rainy season, but it's sunny in the morning, and then typically in the afternoon it starts raining a bit. So don't be afraid to come down in the rainy season, because you're gonna probably like it better, because you do get the nice mornings and then you get the cool down in the afternoon to just chill and have a siesta. But yeah, we're gonna get started on work now.
What you doing, Ollie? Always just give me carries and whatever. I'm a Tico dog.
Alright, like I said this morning, you get the nice sunny mornings and then you get the rainy thunderstorm afternoons. So green season's not that bad as lightning just strikes. Yeah, because you can still get your beach time and then you just come home and relax or go to a restaurant or something like that. But yeah, it's crazy how loud it is right now. Alright, so it's Friday. It's funny, back in Canada when you're working for somebody else, Friday you look forward to it, day end, it's a weekend. You're working on your own project, I just want to keep working. I don't want it to be Friday and then Saturday and Sunday. But yeah, it's been a very progressive week. I'm only working half a day today. They're doing a Father's Day thing with the school at the park, so we're gonna go to that. You know there's progress when you gotta buy more screws. I had to buy 2,000 more drywall screws. I think it was like, was it $16 or something like that? So yeah, so we're just gonna finish off what we can for this week. Alright, so the boss here gave me the rest of the day off. It's Friday, so that's a good thing. We're just at the park now. We're gonna meet everybody here for the Father's Day event that the school's putting on. It's a really nice park here. I'll show you some more video of it. It'd be cool if they had an actual skate park in here, maybe one day. Yeah, so we'll see what they have planned for Father's Day events.
What's that you? You know him.
Brought Ollie to the park too.
What's that do? You know
Go
that
see him.
do. What's that do?
It's Jaden's best friend. Ollie's barking at him for some reason. How's it going?
Good.
It's a pretty nice park, hey? Alright, so that's it for this week. Thanks to everyone who's been watching and enjoying our build videos. We're enjoying making them for you. Because it's a weekend, we were able to get a babysitter, and now we're at our friend's restaurant. It's called Riviera. Actually, on our channel, we're going to be doing something special here with Gary, the chef, and you guys will see that coming up shortly. But yeah, for now, good night. So this is Gary.
Hey.
He's preparing a nice meal here. I'm excited to come cook with you.
Yes.
Oh,
next time we need to cook together.
I just gave away the secret.